Today I'm going to show you how we fabricate granite countertops at Bath and Granite. First step is the templating process. This is where we measure the countertops with you on site. First we scan the front of the cabinets with a laser device, and then we measure the back wall so that we can scribe the countertops to match the contours of the wall. It's really important that we've got good communication with the homeowner at that point, because everything that we decide at that meeting on site will get fabricated. So we want to talk about the sinks, maybe the seams, the edging, the overhangs, all those details. From there, our machine programmer gets these drawings, these two-dimensional drawings of how the countertop should look. And right now you see I'm positioning them on the slab. He's going to configure all the tool paths that are necessary by the machines. We pull the slab out of our slab yard. We buy all of our stone by the bundle, so we've got a lot of consistency within the stone. Our display slabs often match the slabs in the warehouse. And this machine is called the saw jet. It's using a blade to cut all the straight lines, and then it switches to water jet to cut all the curves. So this is going to cut out the perimeter of the countertop out of a blank slab. When we cut, all of our lines are perfectly straight for the front, and they match the contours of the walls in the back. Now our technicians take the pieces off the machine. The smaller pieces get handled by hand. The bigger pieces get picked up with a vacuum lifter and a crane that holds everything up. Next, the pieces go onto our giant router. This machine gives us all of our edge profiles, and it also gives us our seam treatments. So at Bath & Granite, we've got a proprietary process to make our seams super sharp. That's what makes the difference between a great countertop and a not so great countertop. On this kitchen, you can see the seams are in the center of the sink. We'll do that to make sure that the seams are as small as possible and also symmetrical in the kitchen. This length of countertop was too long to do in one piece, but know that whenever we can avoid a seam, we always try to do that. Seams cost us quite a bit of time to do. So our technicians here are taking out the old material. This was a tile countertop. Our guys do this all day, every day. They're as delicate as you can be. And often we will do the demolition and the installation on the same day. Now you can see how our techs carry the stone into the home. This is a delicate process. Obviously we're working with very fragile material where things break, so we got to be super careful. And sometimes seam placement is required not because of the length of the run, but because we can't safely carry a piece large enough into the home. So you can see also they've got the sink already inside the cabinet. It's resting in there. They've got all the top drawers taken out. We ask that when we arrive at the house that you've got all of your top drawers empty so that they're lightweight. Our guys can pull them off pretty quickly. They bring in the second piece, slide that into place. Once we've got both sides of the countertop in place, we need to glue the seam together. This is a meticulous process where we make sure everything is perfectly level and straight as can be. We do our best to make it all look easy so that when we're done, you've got a beautiful new kitchen countertop. Come stop in to our Denver showroom to see how we can do this for you.